Namaste and Radhe Radhe to everyone. This is day 1 of 10-day series where we will be talking about 2025 year predictions by calculating your personal year number. What is personal year number? This is the calculation of 4 numbers, which are your birth date, your birth month, 25, which comes from the year 2025, and the last number is about the day when your birthday is coming this year. So taking an example, if your birthday is coming on 11th November, so the first number is 11 from the birth date, the second is 11 from the birth month, plus 25 and plus when the birthday is coming in 2025. So 11th November is coming on Tuesday in 2025. If your birthday is coming on Sunday, so the number should be taken 1, on Monday 2, on Tuesday 9, Wednesday 5, Thursday 3, Friday 6 and Saturday 8. So as 11th November is coming on Tuesday, so we will take number 9. So 11 plus 25 plus 9, which is clubbing up to number 56. So add that number till it becomes single digit. 56 is 5 plus 6, which is 11. Then 11 is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So your personal year number according to this example is 2. So in this way, calculate your personal year number, and every day we will be posting about what is your year 2025 will be looking like. So the next video, which will come as the day 2 of this 10-day series, is we will randomly take it. So this is the bowl and I am randomly choosing any number. So the number which I am choosing, the random number is, the next video will be of the people having personal year number 3. I got the number 3, so stay tuned for the next video whose personal year will be number 3. Thank you and Radhe Radhe.